Have you ever seen a dog react to a weird sound? Well, get ready for Doggy's hilarious reactions to some of the strangest noises ever. What's that? A haunted door? Look at that head tilt. You can almost hear Doggy thinking, "Is someone sneaking up on me?" Oh no, the beep of doom. Doggy is convinced the world is ending. Or maybe just the vacuum cleaner coming out. And there it is. The classic, "What was that?" jump. Nothing like a random honk to get Doggy in full alert mode. When in doubt, use the pause. Maybe if they touch it, it'll stop making those weird noises. Even after all those strange sounds, Doggy still handles it like a pro. Sort of. Stay tuned for more funny reactions.